At first glance, an antique pie cabinet might just look like a simple wooden cupboard. But in reality, it's one of the smartest pieces of furniture ever designed. Long before refrigerators existed, these cabinets had one job: to keep food fresh. They were built with ventilation in mind. Those small punched tin panels or screens weren't decorative. They allowed air to circulate while keeping insects out. Inside, shelves held pies, bread, and other food, often placed in the coolest part of the house. But here's what makes them fascinating today: the construction. Most were handcrafted from local wood like pine, with visible grain, imperfections, and natural aging. Every cabinet is slightly different, because every one was made by hand. Then there's conservation. Collectors actually value wear. Original paint, old hardware, even faded surfaces, these increase authenticity and value. And now, something unexpected is happening. They're trending again. Not as kitchen storage, but as statement pieces. In modern interiors, they add texture, warmth, and something most spaces are missing: character. Designers are using them in kitchens, living rooms, even bathrooms. Because sometimes, one piece with history does more than 10 new ones ever could.